It's time for a monthly box reveal. And this month's theme is natural cleaning. So we're going to give you 6 awesome recipes that deal with making your home more natural. So let's dive in. First, I'm going to show you what's in our monthly box. The oils in this month's box are oregano, tranquility, orange, and frankincense. Shyla, what's your favorite oil this month?
Tranquility. I love it.
It smells so good, right? It's a lot of people's favorite blend, and I think you're really gonna love it. Along with your 6 recipe cards, you get labels for each of your recipes. This month we have a fun soap mold, melt and pour glycerin soap base, and rose clay, which acts as a natural colorant and also can help detox your skin. Shyla, what's your favorite recipe from this month's box?
Mine is the Depuff Ice Facial. It is amazing and it makes my skin look radiant.
My favorite recipe from this month's box is our rose quartz soap. You get to make this cool looking soap that is beautiful, but also washes your hands and is super gentle on the skin. Shyla, along with all this awesomeness, what do new subscribers get?
They get a new big bonus box. So our bonus box has everything that you're going to need for your next 6 months worth of recipes. So it comes with a beeswax, an almond oil, fractionated coconut oil, a solid coconut oil, 6 of the 10 milliliter roll-on bottles to make all those roll-on recipes, and 6 of the 5 milliliter bottles so you can make all of your diffuser recipes.
And once you've subscribed for 6 boxes, on your 7th box, you get another big bonus box
For free!
So here's the May bonus box. We know you're gonna love it. It's gonna teach you how to use essential oils to not only make your skin look amazing, help clean your house, and make soap.
So go ahead and go to simplyearth.com/box and hit subscribe now.
Thanks for watching.
See ya!